Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this video. Are you looking to understand your customers better? Then this is the perfect place to start. We're going to cover in today's video all of the information you need to know about a voice of the customer survey. So how to best prepare for your voice of customer survey, good examples of questions that you can ask, and the benefits of sending out what has become one of the most staple survey types in customer feedback and customer loyalty measurement. So voice of customer surveys, we're going to be talking all about those today. As with all of our voice form videos, which we post weekly, you can check them out on our channel. We also just basically cover a summary of all the blog posts that we constantly post to our website, voiceform.com. So you can just check out our resource center and look at our blog to get a more in-depth view of this material. But I'll just be going over a high-level overview so you can get a sense of what information we have to share in order to make your voice of customer surveys that much better. And also, of course, we'll sprinkle in a few ideas on how our survey inform tool at VoiceForm can also help you too, which is great. So first and foremost, let's chat about what is a voice of customer survey. So this is, again, a classic within survey methodology. The goal here is really to help you get a better understanding of your customer, learn more about what they think about your product, your service, or your brand, and hopefully be able to identify both qualitatively and quantitatively where they stand from a satisfaction perspective. So this is, again, is a staple in customer feedback, and it gives you that opportunity to ask quantitative questions, multiple choice, true, false, yes, no questions that really just set baselines for customer satisfaction or net promoter score type questions. And then also qualitative information. So getting that more, emotive or open-ended information that can help you identify really loyal and satisfied customers, or if someone's dissatisfied or maybe likely to churn, what's causing that and what can you do to really help turn that around. When it comes to how to actually go about using these types of surveys, I would say ultimately there's kind of two main points. You're looking to use these to identify attributes of satisfaction and identify pain points about your product, your service offering, company, whatever it might be. And so you just really want to make sure that when you're setting this up and thinking through what questions to ask, you're keeping in mind that your customers are super busy and they're inundated with content from companies all the time. You really want your survey to be specific and target on the things you're looking to measure. So whether it's honing in on pain points that they might have, or just trying to get a pulse of satisfaction. And so in order to do that, we give you some tips. So here in the blog article, which you can check out again, and I'll link this in the description below, we have a number of best practices that you can consider when it comes to your questionnaire. Everything from making sure that you set your survey goal, making sure that you know exactly who your audience is so that you can best tailor questions to that. And then also align your survey to a number of attributes such as feedback type, simplicity, ways in which surveys can be answered, and then also best practices on following up. So the blog covers all of that for you. And then we also have, as with all of our blogs, we want to be able to give you some relevance in action. So we give you examples of quantitative and qualitative questions to embed within your voice of customer survey. So on the quantitative side, everything from scale questions, asking what people thought about their shopping experience, their purchasing experience, how likely they are to recommend your company. So those are great baselines that you want to have shared out with your customers on again, a frequent cadence that makes sense based on who your customers are. So you can track to see if it's on the decline or incline over time. And then also those qualitative questions. So how would you describe your shopping experience or your purchasing experience? What features or benefits of our products and services do you like? When you think about our company, what comes to mind? So a couple of great examples within the article that I'm sharing here. And then, of course, when you kind of want to tie it all together, if you have any questions on how to effectively execute on your voice of customer survey and are looking for a new solution to try out, let us know at VoiceForm. We'd love to show you how our platform brings together the best of quantitative and qualitative question types to give you a 360 view of your customer. And really excited to help you launch your next voice of customer survey with us. So if you have any questions, let us know. And thanks for tuning in.